Hey everybody, Steve here. So welcome to Yoga Basics, Learn a Yoga Pose. So this is going to be our next pose that we're working in the series. Our first one we did, of course, was Shavasana. It's again the easiest and the hardest one to do. Our next one we're going to do is Child's Pose, okay? So we're going to swing our legs around, take our knees out to the side, bring your hips down toward your heels. I always find this is the easiest to do. Use your hands, press your knees back or your hips back, and then literally just drop your hands and arms out in front of you and bring your forehead down to the mat. Okay? Two options here, knees out to the side or knees together, either one, okay? If you're working like in a vinyasa class or a power class, I always recommend knees out to the side. But that's Child's Pose in a nutshell, very basic, okay? Thanks for joining me. Again, one corner we're gonna have the next pose in the series, and the other one we're gonna have the complete breakdown of the pose. So how our knees are supposed to be, modifications, adjustments that we need to make in a class. Again, so when you hear Child's Pose in a class, that's where we're gonna go. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great day.